Neither Commusoft nor Workiz publishes the number of customer support tickets they receive, so there is no verified data showing that one platform has fewer support requests than the other. The better comparison is how often users are likely to need support and how each platform handles common issues. By the end of this video, you'll understand why support ticket volume isn't a reliable way to compare these platforms, what usually causes users to contact support, and which software may be the better fit for your business in 2026. Here's the direct answer. You cannot accurately say that Commusoft or Workiz has fewer support tickets because neither company releases that information publicly. A higher number of support tickets doesn't automatically mean worse software either. A platform with more customers or more advanced features may naturally receive more support requests. Let's start with Commusoft. It's designed for field service businesses that want to manage customer records, scheduling, dispatching, estimates, invoicing, and ongoing service relationships from one platform. Businesses with more complex workflows often spend extra time during setup because they customize the software to match how they operate. Workiz focuses on many of the same core tasks, including scheduling, dispatching, invoicing, communication, and job management. Many service businesses choose it because the interface is designed to help teams manage daily operations without unnecessary complexity. Even so, new users may still contact support during onboarding, software integrations, or feature configuration. The biggest mistake business owners make is assuming that fewer support requests mean better software. In reality, support needs often depend on how the software is being used. A company managing hundreds of jobs each week with multiple office employees is more likely to contact support than a small business using only the basic features, even if both are satisfied with the platform. Take Alex as an example. He owns a growing HVAC company and wants to automate customer communication, recurring maintenance, and technician scheduling. During setup, he contacts support several times to configure the system correctly. Those support requests don't mean the software is unreliable. They help him tailor it to his business. Now consider John, who runs a smaller plumbing company with a simpler workflow. He uses only scheduling, invoicing, and customer management. Because his setup is less complicated, he rarely needs assistance after the initial onboarding process. The better question isn't which platform has fewer support tickets. It's which platform fits your business well enough that you won't need frequent help after implementation. Look at the features you actually plan to use, request a product demonstration, and test the software using your real workflow instead of relying on unsupported claims about support volume. The key takeaway is simple. There is no verified evidence that Commusoft or Workiz generates fewer support tickets. Choose the platform that matches your team's workflow, invest time in proper setup, and train your staff well from the beginning. If this comparison helped you, like the video, subscribe, and check out our other field service software comparisons.